Welcome to Canadian Quadders Review. Today we're at Vernon Motorsports and we're checking out this 2020 KTM 250 Xc Tpi. It's a pretty cool looking bike. Stay tuned, we'll talk some specs. So this model is a cross-country model, meaning the XC. So this model will be something more for trail riding and doing your off-road kind of stuff. It's not necessarily a racing bike. So the cross-country model will have a bigger gas tank and a smaller wheel. But this version is a single-cylinder, two-stroke engine, 249cc, 6-speed transmission. So the ground clearance on this guy is 14.6 inches, and it comes with Geomax AT87 tires. Once again, guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I always hope that it's entertaining and educational for you. And it's you guys that make it possible for me to do this hobby of mine, so it's very much appreciated. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will do the same for you. And come down to Vernon Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and check these guys out. They're under new ownership and new management, and their sales have gone through the roof. They must be doing something right. So if you want to be treated well and get a fair deal, come and check these guys out. We'll talk to you guys next week, and thanks again for watching. Tune in next week, and we're going to be talking about this 2020 Kawasaki Teryx 4 LE. It's a pretty cool looking machine, so come back next week and we'll talk specs.